guys? Johnny with Blades Grass Lawn Care, and today it is raining. It is raining. It's wet, raining. Look at all that water, man. But guess what we're doing today? It's November that's a damn shame, right? Life is too good. Awesome. 5th of November 5th. So what are we doing today? We are installing our Gator Blades. Oops, let me turn my radio off. There you go. So we are installing our Gator Blades in my area. I usually install my Gator Blades mid-November ish, or once the leaves start to fall just a little bit, I install my Gator Blades. And then it depends on what kind of customers I have. I will put the mulching kit on my Vantage and with Gator Blades, and I will just put the Gator Blades on my radius with the bagger. You know what I mean? And here is my accelerator bagger right here, which I will be taking with me. So mainly what I do, guys, take the 48 and I'll mulch up the blade, the leaves, and then once I get into a nice, nice reduction, then I'll come back and pick them up with this. And most of the times I don't have to pick them up, but I'm super excited that I have another choice, another more to basically retrieve the clippings, right? Make sense? Good. If I didn't have another 48, then I would most likely put the bagger on the 36. See what I mean? So I like to have choices. And if I didn't have the 36, then I will probably most likely retrieve them with the 21. But guys, let me tell you, I don't have a lot of leaves to clean up. A lot of customers with leaves and ton of leaves, because I specialize in subdivisions. Okay, I specialize in subdivisions. That is what we do. I don't have homes with a lot of trees and stuff like that, so but they keep me extremely busy, because subdivision is all about the Joneses. Competing with the Joneses. So my customers like to have their places looking better than the other ones. That's what I figure anyway, but it is what it is, right? They keep me busy, and that's what we do. So most of the times we mulch it and everything is good to go, but a lot of times they want the leaves to be picked up, or I just do it because it makes us makes our end result look extremely well. But yeah, let me go ahead and look at this, man. Look at that. Ants are inside my storage. Look at all that. I hope you can see it. So I call him Guy, and they're gonna put something down. They're coming through the outside. Yeah. But all right, guys. Another thing. I know this video is about installing my Gator Blades, but one thing that I'm going to do, guys, is I'm getting rid of all my battery powered trimmers. Yes, just me, again, to each his own. The only one I'm keeping is this Echo and another Echo, but I'm getting rid of this still, and I'm getting rid of this still. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going with battery powered, because I found the whole year I've been using battery powered equipment, and they are cutting well enough for me that I'm extremely comfortable with it. And what I love about it, guys, is that I personally love to do shrubs bright early in the mornings, and I love that I can come out, trim shrubs, and don't disturb my customers. Especially, we specialize in a lot of hotels downtown, so it's nice. I'm telling you, it's nice to be out there trimming and cutting in front of the hotels and stuff like that, and you're not disturbing the tourists. You're not disturbing anyone. You know what I mean? So to me, it makes sense. So think about it, guys. Battery powered stuff is pretty good. All right, let me go ahead and install this blade here. Hey guys, let me ask you a question real quick. And this is what I do, and let me tell you why I do it. Anytime I jack up my mower, you know, it's tilted, or I take it out of balance, or whatever the case might be, what I do is I give it some time once I bring it back down, so the liquid can, the oil can kind of get back into its normal stage. And then I will start my engine. I don't just bring it down and then start the engine. Do you guys give it some time, or does it really matter? You know, just for me, peace of mind, if you tilt something, some fluid, some oil comes out of certain areas where there should be oil. So I give it a little bit of resting time so it can get back into the groove or whatever the case might be. Then I'll start my engine up. All right, let me know in the comments below. All right, so we have our Gator Blades on, and yeah, so we're good to go. We're good to go. Now what I'll do is install my Gator Blades on the 48, and then I will install my Gator Blades on my Radius 48 as well. All right, guys. Hey, again, things are warm and we are still mowing, guys. Grass is still growing. It's slowed down pretty much, but it's still growing. So a little bit of the leaves are starting to fall, and but yeah, let me show you real quick. See what the leaves are looking like? Yeah, man, leaves are still green. This is the grass. Grass is still green, and by this time of year it should be dormant, but oh well. All right, guys, next is this right here, so we're gonna go ahead and take care of that. Hey guys, thank you for taking the time to watch my video, guys. I love the support. Have a great one, and get out there, guys. There's work out there. All you have to do is go and get it, and you know, stay motivated. Okay, Pop Smoke. Peace.